Hey everyone, today we're diving into a hands-on review of the Crossgear 17.3 inches laptop backpack. This one's packed with features for travel, tech, and everyday carry, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. This was sent to me by Crossgear for review, but as always, I'll be giving you my honest thoughts based on real-world use. Let's get into the unboxing. First impression, it's sleek, sturdy, and feels premium right out of the packaging. Starting from the back panel, this is where the organization really shines. You've got a padded laptop compartment that fits up to 17.3 inches. I'll show you in a bit how my 16-inch Arzopa monitor fits perfectly. Next is the document sleeve, great for folders, tablets, or even a slim keyboard. There's a front organizer pocket with slots for pens, cables, and small accessories. Side pockets are roomy enough for water bottles or compact tripods. And tucked into the back padding is a hidden pocket, ideal for wallet or passport when traveling. Up front, there's a little pocket that's super handy for quick grabs, stuff like business cards or even short USB cables. For the anti-theft lock, Crossgear includes a built-in combination lock. It's simple to set and gives peace of mind when you're commuting or at crowded events. On the side, you've got the dual USB ports, Type A and Type C. Just plug in your portable charger inside the bag and you're ready to juice up your phone or camera on the go. Inside the main compartment, I was able to fit my 16-inch portable monitor and my 15-inch gaming laptop side by side without any issues. It's roomy enough to keep both protected and snug. One of my favorite little touches, this built-in hanger on the shoulder strap, perfect for your sunglasses or prescription glasses when you're on the move. In addition to that, there's a small pocket on the shoulder strap. I use it to keep my parking ticket within easy reach, perfect for quick grab and go moments. What really stood out was the breathable mesh padding and those wide shoulder straps. Even after hours of walking and standing, the comfort held up strong. No sore shoulders and no overheating. If I could tweak one minor detail, it would be the spacing between the USB charging ports. The Type-C and Type-A are pretty tight side by side, so plugging in two cables at once takes a bit of effort. They work, but I worry that over time it would wear out the cords or make the ports loose. Overall, I really like this backpack. The built-in USB gives me peace of mind for not running out of battery, which was super convenient. The widened shoulder straps and breathable padded mesh made it comfortable to wear, even during long hours of walking and filming. And of course, the pocket layout is a win. Plenty of space to organize all your gear without feeling cluttered. If you're a content creator, commuter, or just someone who needs a reliable, tech-friendly backpack, the Crossgear 17.3-inch model is worth checking out. Link is in description if you're interested. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one.